Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Menazuddin Rupam welcoming you to 5MXL class. Today we will be talking about a very interesting topic on Power Query, that is combining multiple worksheets and keep unique data with Power Query. So basically it was invoked by Robin when he posted something about its problem on Excel that can be solved by Power Query as per my perception. So Robin's problem was that he wanted to keep Ben, then George data from two worksheets by comparing these two worksheets as you can see on the screen. And not only this, he wanted to aggregate or the values uh, from both the worksheets into a single worksheet. So let us try to solve this out. So as you can see, I have two different worksheets here, sheet 1 and sheet 2, and I have three common entries, three names that match both the worksheets, right? So my job is to match values from this worksheet with the values of this worksheet, right? And after that, I will add the values in three different yearly columns in both the worksheets. Okay, so the last function, what I will do is I will try to automate the whole thing. So whenever any entry matches both the worksheets, it the Power Query automatically transforms the data and display the data in a separate worksheet or in a table, right? Okay, let us do this. So let us take the first table to Power Queries. So I will go to data and select from table. Okay, the work is done. I will title this as table 1 and close and load 2. I will load this as only create connection. So load. I will do the same thing with my table 2 from table. Okay, now I have both the queries here. So I will merge table 2 with table 1 with March queries option from home and March queries as new. Okay, perfect. So there is my table 1 and here is my table 2. The matching column is the name column in both the worksheets or both the tables, right? And then I will select inner, only matching rows. So the join kind would be inner. So let us select this. As you can see, 3 entries matches out of 5 rows, right? That is perfect. I will press OK, and then I will press on this small two-sided arrow here to expand my table 2. I will only select 2017, 2018, and 2019 because this has the data, and I will uncheck the use original column name as prefix because if I don't unselect this, it will uh, add table 2 uh, as a prefix of column name with every column, right? So I will uncheck this one and press OK. Now the next step would be to add 2017 with 2017.1 from table 2, right? I will go to add column and I will go to standard, add. I will do the same thing with 2018, standard, add with 2019 as well, standard, add, and I will remove these columns because they are no longer required. So I will press delete after selecting all the columns, and I will change the title to 2017, 2018, and 2019. Perfect. My job is done. I will rename the March 1 query to Robin's solution because Robin has encouraged us to do such kind of amazing thing. And then I will simply go to home, close and close and load to. And this time I would prefer to load it as a table in a new worksheet. So I'll load it. Perfect. The work is done, right? And last but not the least, I will add the data of Hank. So Hank is not present in the table 2, but is there in table 1, right? So you can see we have 2, 3, 1 in 2017, 2018, and 2019 respectively. And in sheet 2 or table 2, I will add this 13, 14, 15 respectively for Hank. I will simply pull it up and add to my table and go to sheet 4. Let's just rename it Robin's solution, right? Did you get it, Robin? Okay, just refresh and you can see the magic. It's already here. So if you like the video, please press on the thumb in YouTube to like it, the upper one obviously, and subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to meet you in my next video. Take care. Bye.